Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best comb cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your hair care arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. We're diving deep into the world of comb and brush cleaners, because let's face it, those tools get seriously gross. From product buildup to lurking bacteria, your combs and brushes can be a breeding ground for all sorts of nasties. So, buckle up as we explore the best way to keep your hair tools sparkling clean. Number 5. Boao Hair Brush Cleaning Set. This set includes everything you need to keep your brushes clean. It's designed to remove dust and hair, ensuring your brushes stay in top condition. The set features a double head brush with plastic and nylon bristles, plus a mini brush. This combination allows you to clean different types of brushes effectively. Made from plastic, nylon, and metal, these tools are built to last. You can easily wash them, and they won't easily deform or get damaged. The mini brush is compact and easy to carry. It's a great solution for anyone who experiences hair loss or simply wants to keep their brushes clean on the go. You can put it in your pocket or bag. These brushes are simple to use and perfect for home, salon, or personal use. They are a must-have for anyone who uses hair brushes regularly. You'll receive 2 double head brushes and 2 mini brushes. This set provides you with enough tools to meet your cleaning needs. What we like. This set offers a variety of tools for a thorough clean. It includes different brushes to tackle various hair types and comb designs. If you have multiple types of combs or brushes, this is a great choice to keep them all clean and ready to use. What people say. This product took all the hair out of my brush within seconds. The larger black brush is great to use to remove hair, and to run along the bristles to break up any clumps of debris. The big comb-like brush glides through my brush effortlessly and removes most of the hair. Number 4. Boao 2-piece Mini Hair Brush Cleaner. This is a set of 2 mini hair cleaning rakes. They are designed to effectively remove dirt and hair from your brushes. This handy tool will keep your brushes clean and extend their life. Each cleaner features a wooden handle with a groove for a comfortable grip. The design makes it easy to hold and use. You'll find it effortless to clean your brushes. Made with quality wood and metal, this cleaner is built to last. The metal wires on the claw provide excellent cleaning power. It's a durable solution for your hair care needs. Its small size and light weight make it perfect for travel or on-the-go use. You can easily slip it into your pocket or bag. It's convenient to clean your brushes anytime, anywhere. Suitable for home, salon, or personal use. After use, simply clean it with water and wipe it dry. Proper care will help maintain its quality and extend its lifespan. This brush cleaner can also be a nice gift for your friends or family. They will appreciate this practical and thoughtful gift. It is a great addition to anyone's hair care routine. What we like. This cleaner features a wooden handle and metal wire rake for effective cleaning. The groove in the handle makes it easy to grip and use. If you are looking for a simple and effective tool with a comfortable grip, this is the one for you. What people say. Digging hair and dust out of brushes between washing is made much easier with these rakes. Also very good at cleaning between the tines of combs. When the bristles on the rakes become a little misaligned, cleaning your comb by pushing the rake from the outside into it will realign it beautifully. Boao hairbrush cleaners are perfect for cleaning your hairbrushes. They come in a pack of 2 with well-made wood handles. Number 3. Luwigs Metal Wire Rake One-Handle Comb. Luwigs is a brand you can trust for high-quality hair products. This comb is designed to make your hair care routine easier and more effective. It's a reliable tool for both home and salon use. The comb is made with a sturdy iron rake and a comfortable wooden handle. It's built to last, ensuring it won't break easily. This makes it a great investment for your hair care needs. Measuring at approximately 4.5 inches, it's the perfect size for easy handling. This compact design doesn't compromise on effectiveness. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. This comb is perfect for cleaning your bathroom, combs, and hair. It effectively removes impurities, leaving everything clean and fresh. You'll love how versatile it is. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, while the steel rake efficiently removes all impurities. It's a simple yet effective tool that makes cleaning a breeze. You'll find it easy to use and very helpful. What we like. This comb cleaner is from a trustworthy brand, designed for simplicity and effectiveness. It features a comfortable wooden handle and steel rake to remove impurities. If you like a simple and reliable tool, this is a great choice for your cleaning needs. What people say. Cleans your hairbrush, combs short hair great. This product actually works to comb hair or dust out of a tightly packed boar bristle brush. It's working fairly well, so far. Number 2. 5-piece comb cleaner set. Introducing the 5-piece comb cleaner set. This set includes a rake, brush, and various tools. It's designed for removing hair and dust from different combs, perfect for both home and salon use. The set features a black double-headed brush, cleaning claws, a stainless steel wooden handle brush, and a stainless steel plastic handle brush. These tools provide a thorough cleaning experience for all types of combs. Start with the plastic brush side, then use the nylon bristles, and finish with the mini hair cleaning brush. This process ensures your combs are completely clean and ready for use. Made from durable plastic, wood, nylon, and metal, this set is built to last. The materials are easy to clean and won't easily break or deform, making it a reliable choice. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry. You can put it in your pocket or bag, allowing you to clean your combs wherever you go. This set thoroughly cleans the hairbrush base. If you have a comb with a lot of hair, this cleaning tool is a must-have in your life. What we like. This set provides a reasonable combination of cleaning tools for different needs. It is made of quality materials and designed for effective cleaning. If you have a comb with lots of dead hair, this cleaning tool is a must in life. What people say. These little rakes get the hair out so easy, without causing damage to the bristles, and doesn't leave hairs behind that pulling the hair out of the brush with your hands does. It also helps scratch up the product stuck in your brush and pull it out with the hair. The 5-pieces comb cleaner tool set is a fantastic addition to my hair care routine. These tools effectively clean various combs and brushes, removing embedded hair and dust with ease. The set includes a variety of tools, perfect for both home and salon use. They are sturdy and well designed, making the cleaning process quick and efficient. Number 1. U.S. Art Supply Brush Cleaner and Restorer. Introducing the U.S. Art Supply Brush Cleaner and Restorer. This 16-ounce bottle is a highly effective solution. It helps you restore brushes with dried paint, making them ready for use again. This cleaner works on acrylic, oil, gouache, inks, and water-based paints. It's designed to remove even the toughest dried-on paint. It is a must-have for any artist. The cleaner is also great for airbrushes and other art tools. You can keep all your supplies clean and in good condition. It ensures they last longer. To use, soak your brushes and remove the softened residue. For tough paint, you may need to soak them for up to 24 hours. Afterward, wash with soap and water. For airbrushes, fill the cup with cleaner and spray. For dried paint, soak the parts overnight. Remember, do not soak the whole airbrush in the cleaner. With this cleaner, you can keep your art supplies ready for use. You will no longer need to throw away brushes. This product helps you save money and time. What we like. This product is designed for cleaning and restoring paint brushes. It effectively removes dried acrylic, oil, and water-based paints. If you are an artist looking to extend the life of your brushes, you should consider this. What people say. This works perfectly to clean my brushes. Great product, takes the paint right off my brushes. My brushes were total trash before using this. Now they are soft and usable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.